At first, it feels like just another historic home. Quiet, set back from the street. Nothing about it suggests what happened here. There's no sense of urgency now, no sign of what once filled these rooms. And yet, for a brief moment in 1901, this became the center of the country. In September of 1901, President William McKinley was shot while attending the Pan-American Exposition in Buffalo. 4 days, the nation waited. Then, on September 14th, he died. And suddenly, the country needed a president. Theodore Roosevelt was rushed back to Buffalo. There was no time for ceremony, no large gathering, no grand stage. Instead, they chose this house, the home of Ansley Wilcox. Inside, the rooms were filled with officials, witnesses, and quiet tension. There was no audience, no crowd, just a small group gathered in a private space, waiting for something that had to happen. In the library of this home, Theodore Roosevelt took the oath of office. No spectacle, no announcement, just a hand raised, and a moment that shifted the country forward. It's strange to think how something so significant happened in a place like this. Not in a Capitol building, not on a public stage, but inside a home. A reminder that history doesn't always happen where we expect it to. Today, the house stands quietly. The street moves as it always has. And unless you stop, you might never realize what took place here. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.